Introducing the ZANCO S Pen, the must-have product of 2019. Best accessory ever made for a smartphone. Amazing and incredible product. So easy to use. Compact and light. Totally new innovation. Forget about paper notes and scribbles which do not align themselves. Pull your document on an iPad or tablet and customize your highlights with the Stylus pen function on ZANCO S Pen. Organizing your thoughts has never been easier before. The ZANCO S Pen is also your smartphone de facto. Insert a SIM card and start making and receiving calls from your S Pen. Or simply pair it via Bluetooth with your smartphone. You can then use it as a phone even without a SIM. Next up, present your big ideas in class or at your board meeting with a laser pen in hand. Use the remote capture function to take pictures with the S Pen via your smartphone. Record any important feedback and revisit them for evaluation. On the weekend, break a sweat at the gym with your ZANCO S Pen connected to your Bluetooth enabling devices, or attach it to your bike and go for a ride in the wild. Put the S Pen on video mode to do the scenery justice. Adjust its angle to capture a panorama view of the beautiful places, people, and gifts of nature. Enjoy your favorite tunes along the way. Take snapshots of the places you have explored and share them with your loved ones on your big computer screen back home. Want the best surprise for your birthday and April Fools? ZANCO S Pen's got you covered with this voice changer with 13 voice options on the list. Put on a rapper or robotic voice to give your best friends a call. The ZANCO S Pen redefines compactness. It is your one-stop personal assistant. Equipped with a microphone, a voice recorder, a speaker, a 3.5 headset, a laser and stylus pen, a micro 5-pin USB, a nano SIM and micro SD, Bluetooth 3.0 connection. It is your one-stop pocket-sized office assistant. Your must-have product for 2019. Back this campaign now and be the first to own the intelligent and compact device. ZANCO S Pen. Bring less, achieve more.